off.
The National Weather Service intel. Northeastern Geneva County in southeastern Alabama, Houston County in southeastern Alabama, southwestern Early County in southwestern Georgia until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Cheryl, it's area.
Daylight Time. At 2:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 1:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles south of Blakely to 6 miles south of Ingrid, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour.
It didn't go off.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Eliminating. Locations intensity include Cottonwood, Junction 60% Midland City, Kings, Ashford, Towers, Webb, Columbia, Centerville, Malibu, Weebus, Avon, Madrid, Gordon, Jackson, Memphis, Crosby, and Grangeburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Houston, Alabama, and Early, Georgia. This is no weather radio station WNG 633 in speeds.
Here we go. Beautiful.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee County in southwestern Georgia.
Ooh, 2 EAS.
Western Georgia, southwestern Baker County in southwestern Georgia, northern Seminole County in southwestern Georgia until
Oh!
time. At 2:20 p.m. Eastern.
This did not just happen.
A severe thunderstorm was located
What?
in Donaldsonville,
No way.
miles per hour.
Did my 382 just go off?
Source. Impact. Expect
Oh my god. And this too.
Colquitt, Donaldsonville, West Bainbridge, Iron City, Brinson.
Oh my goodness. My 382 we know.
Company Airport.
It didn't code the alert correctly.
Airport, Bellevue, Drive, Davis Park, Leland, El Dorado.
So did this.
Protection moved to an interior room on the first floor of a building.
So that.
3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia, Decatur, and
This
Seminole.
better not be a doubleheader. If it is, I'm gonna cry.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio. Saw the 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
Here we go. And my 382 didn't go off.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
But this did.
Eastern Jackson County in Florida,
Oh, Jackson.
southwestern Decatur County in southwestern Georgia,
Jackson.
central Seminole County in southwestern Georgia,
Jackson County.
until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Can someone explain
At 2:53
why
p.m.
didn't I hear
Eastern
this
Daylight
alert tone
Time
happen?
or 1:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time? A severe thunderstorm was
This
located
didn't
14
go off.
miles northeast of Mariana, moving southeast at 30
This one.
miles per hour.
This one.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Double
wind
recon
gust.
activation.
Source, radar indicated.
This one.
Impact, expect
I don't have my 259 because I don't want to.
Locations
For
impacted
now.
include Chattahoochee, Malone,
120.
Sneed, Grand Ridge, Greenwood, Bascom, Seminole,
Ah, Joshua was impacted. Nice.
Middle, Desert,
This one.
Rainsville, Northfield,
Version 2.
James,
255.
Bellwood,
251.
Riverton, Tooele, Hornsville,
Emerson didn't activate.
Lake Seminole. For your protection, move
Alright, my app is starting.
on the lowest floor of the
That makes sense.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for
I
the
swear
following
to
counties:
goodness.
Jackson,
I haven't had a
Florida,
doubleheader
and the
forever.
following counties
Please
in Georgia,
make this a doubleheader.
Decatur, and Seminole.
Oh man.
You are listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH-24 in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This broadcast originates from your National Weather Service office in Tallahassee, Florida. The latest weather and forecast information can also be accessed by calling.
It's hard to figure out which one of your radios are on when you have most of them on display.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
You're gonna do that to me, huh? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
The National Weather
Here we
Service
go.
in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm
SVR.
warning for northeastern
Let's go.
Decatur County in southwestern Georgia, southern Grady County in southwestern Georgia.
Let's
At
go.
3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
SVR.
At 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe
If you're wondering
thunderstorm
why
was
on
located
none
over
of basically
Bainbridge,
you don't hear any of my
at 30
radios,
miles per
they're
hour.
on display.
Hazard,
'Cause they're
60
too
miles
low.
per hour wind gusts.
So.
Source,
They're too low.
radar indicated. Impact,
So, I'm gonna
expect
zoom in on this
damage to
261
roof,
and finish
siding,
making tea.
and trees. Locations impacted include Bainbridge, Cairo, Wigan, West Bainbridge, Climax, Calgary, Reno, Grady Company Airport, Princess Still, and Nickelville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia, Decatur, and Grady.
Epic. Beep, beep. Yes! Here we go! 3, 2, 1 off!
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Cook County in Georgia, Lowndes County in Georgia, East Central Thomas County in Georgia, Wilkes County in Georgia, Wood County in Georgia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pavo, or 11 miles northwest of Quitman, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
What is that static noise interrupting my radios?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof.
That's the first time these two have went off at the same
Locations
time.
impacted include
Here.
Valdosta, Quitman, Hayes
Right
Island,
next to each
Pavo,
other.
Moody Air Force Base, I-75 at exit 16, Remerton, Dasher, Moreland, Barwood, Depot, Barney, Barrett, Oaklawn, Valdosta Regional Airport, Kingeroo, I-75 at exit 29, Brooks Company Airport, Blue Springs, and Hollis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties.
I know I didn't put this on
Georgia,
display.
Brooks, and Thomas.
I don't think there is a display option. And they just both turned off. Yay! Okay, it's now a doubleheader. Good.